By taking the sexual harassment training here on Greater Commons, you have the ability to enroll and track the progress of as many individuals as you'd like within your organization here at Greater Commons. You simply upload their email addresses and enroll them in the class, and then the supervisor, the manager, you, anybody who sets this up and pays for it, will be able to see the progress of all the individuals they paid for. So you can see how much of the course have they worked through, what were their quiz scores, what are their writing samples like, and so you'll have great documentation to show that, look, these individuals went through this course, here are their quiz scores, here are their writing samples, and that helps you understand that one, first of all, you're in compliance with the law in California, and secondly, that you could see how did my employees do as they went through this course. So that's one of the benefits of taking the sexual harassment training here on Greater Commons and using this platform is it allows you to track the progress of everybody, and then every time you log in you'll be able to see their progress and you'll get reminders when they need to be trained again, and you don't have to deal with any of the record keeping. We've done all of that for you over on our side, so anytime you have any questions you could just bring that up. So that's one of the great advantages of using Greater Commons for the sexual harassment training is that you easily get to track your employees, see their progress, look at how well they did, and then also have the resources stored for you anytime you need to reference them and look them up.